Most people rush to the coast, but hidden behind those beaches are rides like this. Today I'm riding from Planis down through the mountains towards Pago. 15 minutes of curves, valleys, cliff edges, and some of the best riding in this part of Spain. No traffic, no pressure, just the sound of the bike and the road unfolding ahead. The moment you leave town, the landscape changes fast. The road tightens up, the corners start coming at you one after another, and suddenly the whole valley opens up beside you. This is the kind of ride where you stop thinking about everything else. You're not chasing destination anymore, you're just riding. You know, the mountains have a rhythm to them. Long sweeping bends, short technical corners, then sudden viewpoints that make you want to pull over every 5 minutes. And the best part, most people never see this side of Spain. Tourists are down on the beaches while roads like this stay almost empty. You can actually settle into the ride, feel the bike move beneath you, pick your lines through the bends and enjoy every second of it. Look at these views. Dry rocky cliffs one side, deep green valleys on the other. The whole region feels like it's built for motorcycles. Not because it's extreme, not because it's dangerous, but because it flows. Every corner leads to the next, and it's kind of road that makes you relax without slowing down. One thing I've learned riding these roads like this is the best rides are really the famous ones. Sometimes it's just a random road between two small towns with no expectations that becomes one you remember. And this route from Planes to Pago is exactly that. No crowds, no checkpoints, no tourist buses, just pure riding. Feel the road slowly changing now. The mountains begin to soften, the corners open up, and the air starts to feel a bit warmer as we descend down towards the town. The transition is something I love about riding in this area. In less than an hour, you can go from cool mountain passes to palm trees and sea air. why I ride. It's not for speed, not to get somewhere quickly, but for moments like this. Sound of the engine echoing off the rock walls, smell of the pine trees drifting through the helmet, and the complete freedom of being alone on the road that feels endless. Pago comes into view, the landscape changes again. The mountains fade behind us, replaced by open valleys, and the first sign, we're near the town. After a ride like this, you almost don't want it to end. But the thing is, about roads in Spain, there's always another mountain waiting just over the horizon. I hope you enjoyed this ride from Bike and Beaches, and if you'd give us a like and maybe subscribe to the channel, it really helps. Now I'm going to have a coffee.